Formatting an SD card erases all data, including photos, videos, and documents. In this video, we'll show 4 easy ways to back up your SD card safely using a computer, cloud, or other tools. Method 1. Backup SD card before formatting via Doctor for Android Versatile. Want to backup your SD card or recover lost data, even if your computer can't read it? Use Mobic and Doctor for Android, Windows, Mac to safely manage and protect your SD card and phone data. Step 1. Connect your SD card to your computer. Begin by installing and launching the recovery software on your computer. Once the application is open, select the SD card recovery option located at the top of the interface. Subsequently, insert your SD card into the computer using a card reader. Step 2. Perform a scan of all stuff on the card. The software will automatically detect the card, and its icon will be displayed in the window. Select the card and click Next to commence a scan for any lost multimedia files. Step 3. Backup your SD card to your PC. In the left panel, select the types of files you wish to retrieve. Then, from the right column, choose the specific items you need. Finally, click the Recover button to restore and save all your desired files from the micro SD card to your computer. Method 2. Backup SD card before formatting on Android via File Explorer. Remove the SD card and connect it to your computer. Open File Explorer, copy the files with Ctrl+C, and paste them, Ctrl+V, to your computer or an external drive. Wait for the transfer to finish. Method 3. Backup SD card data in Android via Google One. Download and install Google One from the Play Store. Create an account if needed for 15 GB free storage. On the home screen, set up backup, select what to save, and tap Backup Now. Method 4. Backup memory card before formatting via Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your PC and log in. Connect your SD card. Click the drive icon, Add Device, select Files, then choose Backup to Google Drive and click Save. Extra, format an SD card securely. Connect the SD card to your PC and open File Explorer. Right-click the SD card and select Format. Choose a file system NTFS, FAT32, or exFAT and click Start.